If someone had told me that the same man who saved my life would one day secretly consider leaving me behind, not because he stopped loving me, but because he no longer felt safe, I would have never believed it. I met my husband when I was at my lowest, broken, depressed, hopeless. Life had drained everything out of me. I was breathing, but I wasn't living, smiling, but I was shattered inside. Then he came, a Nigerian man, calm, patient, loving. He did not meet me when I was strong. He met me when I was falling apart. When I had lost myself, he helped me find my way back. When I felt worthless, he reminded me I was enough. When depression nearly swallowed me whole, this man loved me back to life. He became my peace. But not everyone celebrated us. From the beginning, people had something to say. He just wants papers. These foreigners know how to use women. He's not here for love. Even family members questioned his intentions, but they didn't know what he had done for me. They didn't know this man found me in pieces and helped rebuild me. So I defended him. I chose him fully. And for years, I believed love had protected us from everything. Until one night, I came home quietly and heard his voice from the bedroom. At first, I smiled. I thought he was just catching up with family back in Nigeria. But then I heard words that made my blood run cold. I don't feel safe here anymore. Maybe it's time for me to come home. I froze. My heart stopped. Come home. I stood there in silence, listening from the doorway, trying to convince myself I misunderstood. But then he said it again. These protests, this tension, I can't keep pretending I'm okay. Pretending? I couldn't breathe. The same man who had been my strength had been silently carrying fear I knew nothing about. Fear of being unwanted, fear of being blamed, fear of waking up one day and realizing love was not enough to protect him from the reality immigrants face. I said nothing that night. I kept it in my heart for days. For days, I lived with a secret that was tearing me apart. Because I didn't know when he was planning to leave. Would I wake up one day and find him gone? Was he waiting for the right time to tell me? Or worse, was he protecting me from a truth too painful to hear? So I prayed. I prayed harder than I ever had before. I asked God to change his mind, to protect our marriage, to protect the man who once protected me. But eventually, fear pushed me to confront him. One evening, my voice trembling, I finally said, "Babe, I heard you the other day talking about leaving South Africa." He went silent. Then suddenly, he broke down. The man I had always known as strong cried like I had never seen before. And through those tears, he told me truths I was never prepared for. The insults, the suspicion, the fear immigrants carry, documented or not. The emotional burden of constantly feeling like your safety can change overnight. And then, through my own tears, I asked the question that had been haunting me. Are you going to leave us? Or are you taking us with you? He looked at me, shattered, and said, "You know I love you. You know I would do anything for you. But I don't want to separate you from your home, your family." And just like that, I realized my husband was not planning to leave because he stopped loving me. He was considering leaving because survival was becoming louder than love. But what I didn't know was that our biggest test had not even begun.